from sofa and seems like she twisted her wrist. She's in a pain right now. We called our family doctor who advised us to go to emergency. हमारी सिटी में दो हॉस्पिटल है, ग्रैंड रिवर एंड सेंट मैरी. वी चोज टू गो टू सेंट मैरी बिकॉज ग्रैंड रिवर इज अ बिग हॉस्पिटल और वहाँ पे इस समय बहुत कोविड केसेस भी आ रहे होंगे. वी वांट टू सी सेंट मैरी में कैसी सिचुएशन है. करेंटली द वेट टाइम इज 21 minutes which is not bad. She is still okay. She is not cranky, but like an hour before she was super uncomfortable. Every time she was trying to play around, she get messy with her hand. So in short, for healthcare there are three options. First, your family doctor. If in case you don't have a family doctor, तो आप वॉकिंग क्लिनिक जा सकते हैं. वॉकिंग क्लिनिक और फैमिली डॉक्टर्स के टाइमिंग रिस्ट्रिक्टेड होते हैं. So if in case first and second option doesn't work out for you, the third option only left for you is go to emergency. I hope not you have to use it, but keep that in mind. Going to emergency, always be prepared with couple of things in your hand because it may take you time there and you never know. It could be couple of minutes, it could be couple of hours. So be ready for that. And this is one thing, always keep your health card in a wallet. It will be super duper easy. Wherever you are, you can easily go to emergency right from there or either to your family doctor. Here we are at the hospital talking about the parking. It's still quite full. Let's see where we're going. पहले मैं अंदर जा रही हूँ just to figure out कितना wait time चल रहा है and then Deepak will come along with Arshia. It's better कि she is in a car, safer with him there. I checked inside. There are currently 2 more patients. We can take Arshia in and it shouldn't take us long. Let's go.
Like fever.
With me to change my mask and use this one which is KN95 जो ये hospitals में use कर रहे हैं. And of course she gave me this form to fill in ताकि वो जब मुझे बुलाए and we'll be ready for Asha.
So it turns out that only one parent can go inside. So unfortunately I have to wait outside in the parking lot. I hope that everything goes fine inside. So while I'm waiting here, I thought of giving you guys a brief intro into Canadian health system and our honest experience so far. So first of all, as you all know, healthcare is completely free in Canada. Doesn't matter which province you live in. So that means अगर आप doctor's visits पे जाते हैं for even a smaller thing like fever, or if you go to see a hospital, or if you want to go for a surgery or for anything, it's completely free. When I say completely free, that means you don't have to pay any co-pay, you don't have to pay anything upfront, you don't have to deal with all the complex bills as compared to what it happens in the United States or other different countries. So you go in, there's a health card you show, and it's completely free. Yes, you have to wait a lot in the emergency rooms. Yes, sometimes it takes a lot of time to get into a specialized doctor. Yes, sometimes it takes you more to get into some non-urgent surgeries. Even after all these facts, I still believe the Canadian health system is one of the best.
Gabba?
Gabba gabba.
Gabba gabba gabba?
Gabba gabba.
Gabba gabba?
So while we are waiting अपनी chance के लिए, somebody is gonna call Arsha's name. I have to keep her busy because otherwise ये floor पे हाथ मारती है, दीवारों पे हाथ मारती है, दरवाजे पे हाथ मारती है. They have given us this room and Asha is so afraid इस पे बैठने के लिए that I actually have to help. Okay, how about we sit here, Asha? Is that better now? She is little fussy. She really wanna go home. हमें already 3 घंटे हो चुके हैं and I hope this thing get over soon. Now it shouldn't be more than 10 minutes कि डॉक्टर आए और हमें अपडेट करे. See somebody is here.
Perfect.
Hello. Hi.
So, X-ray.
Yes.
I did not see anything broken.
Oh, thank God. us to go home, right? So thank you.
Okay, you did so good.
Yeah.
You did so good.
Awesome. Thank you.
Oh, very good.
Thank you so much.
Have a good night.
We are actually out. Now we are going to the parking lot जहाँ पे दीपक हमें मिलेंगे. It's good time to go home. Time is around almost 9 o'clock. We came around 5:30, so we spent good time here. Okay, let's go.